things that, for lack of a better word, that we hoped to achieve, important fact that we managed to achieve was the
in partnership with USO and Toons Media Group to encourage the children, which is divided into three phases.
There were two brothers, Shyam and Ram. Became a farmer. The factory owner was always drinking pure water from filters and was always, whereas the farmer used to drink fresh water from the river and eat pure food from nature. Both gave birth to two children.
Everyone. I am Sachin Patel from Open Middle School, Raigad. On this grand occasion, I extend to you all a very warm welcome. I consider myself
He lived in a capital city with his grandpa and didn't know the importance of natural and precious resources.
My class teacher introduced me to this program. So first I was nah, I will not get time. But when started to get interest, then I participated, and with these levels I learned many things. And growing up and up, and then we saw that animation. I never thought that a simple quiz in our class, whole class took, will take me to this high level.
Janan Model Senior Secondary School, Jalandhar. I take all the classes of H2O water project. I enjoyed the classes very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, for young minds innate and children learned about the importance of water and its sustainable use. I'd like to invite Principal of Manav Bharati India International School.
initiative taken by National.
It was indeed a great way to celebrate World Water Day, being with the children, with the teachers who really had a very interesting journey of becoming water wise through the medium of cartoons and making animation movies on excellent themes about water, why we should have water, what is the price of water, and what is the price of polluting water. And UNESCO and all other partner institutions have really done a great work, and I must thank them for bringing such a kind of sensitivity and such a kind of realization among children.
The idea behind this program was to pick up the children's mind who are who will be ambassadors of how to keep the water conserved, how to take the forward the water conservation message across their families, their peers, and within the society. Children belonging to fourth standard, fifth standard, sixth standard who participated in this very beautiful, I would say, contest or quiz where they were supposed to build up stories of what they think about water, how should they conserve water, and on those stories lot of animations and cartoons were developed, and based on those cartoons animated movies have come out of it. So a lot of very good interesting ideas came up from the children.
Classified the participants into four categories. Grade 1, which is
Bodies, use dustbins. Stop littering. Our planet is so